Hi guys, my name is Chigozie and this is my Project0 presentation. So here I have my web application and here I have my code. This is my readme, index and several other pages. I also have my SAS file and my CSS file over here. So here, looking around the page, I have my about page. This website is for my friend. He's a poet. His pen name is Darren King. So this is his about and then his contact details as well. So we have some poems here, his work, what he wrote. At the footer here I have some hyperlinks and stuff going to his Facebook and Instagram and all. Then I also have some of his short stories, but I use a JavaScript code here just because this content is PG-18. So the website is fully functional. Yeah, you get that. So look at that. I think I'll just take it back to that size. And like, it fits on several screens. That's how it is. Oh, this is mailing lists. It's a form so that like you could fill it and stuff. Oops. And then submit. It all goes afresh. It doesn't have any backlinks though. But then yeah, I guess that's it for the, let me check. I have to be sure. Okay, I guess my bootstrap component, this here is a bootstrap component. I use the column, I use the, where would I find that? Right, so I use the column large and small thing to differentiate the footer here. So that's how it goes. That's my bootstrap component, and I also use it for the header, but I styled it differently because I like it better that way. Thank you for watching and have a good day.